In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product packaging design in Canva. This process is not only simple, but also an exciting way to channel your creativity into professional-looking packaging designs, all in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open Canva. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log into your account. Canva is a versatile tool that's widely popular for its user-friendly interface, which makes it a favorite among both professionals and amateurs alike. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new design. You can do this by clicking on the Create a Design button, usually located at the top right corner of your homepage. Next, you'll need to set your dimensions. This is crucial, as the packaging design should fit the actual size of your product packaging. Think about what your packaging will wrap around: a box, a bottle, or a pouch. Knowing your product's dimensions will ensure your design is appropriately scaled. Once your canvas is set up with the right dimensions, you can choose how to start your design. Canva offers a wide variety of templates that you can browse through, or you can opt for a blank canvas if you're feeling adventurous and want complete creative control. Templates are a great way to get started if you're looking for inspiration or want a head start on the design process. Now, let's focus on designing the front of your packaging. This is often the centerpiece of any packaging design, as it's the first thing customers will see. Incorporate elements such as your brand logo, vibrant colors, and clear, attractive fonts. These elements should align with your brand identity and appeal to your target audience. To enhance your design, take advantage of Canva's vast library of elements. Search for relevant icons or imagery that support your product's theme or message. This could be anything from decorative flourishes to symbols that relate specifically to the product you're packaging. For a professional touch, search for product packaging mockups in Canva's elements. These mockups allow you to see how your design will look on actual packaging. It acts like a preview, giving you a practical visualization of your design before finalizing it on a tangible product. Once you're satisfied with your design and it looks great on the mockup, you're ready for the final step. Download your design. You can save it as a PNG or PDF file depending on your needs. PNGs are great for digital showcasing, while PDFs are typically used for printing. That's it. You've just designed a professional-looking product package in Canva. By following these steps, you can experiment with different styles and themes to create a unique presentation of your product. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create.